What's up guys, Mike, welcome back to the channel. It's going to be another 435 install or application, whatever you want to call it for this. I got something for my car. I kind of hinted at you guys in another video, but it has something to do with the headlights. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys now what it is. Lamin-X protective films. Essentially what it is, if you guys ever heard of Lamin-X or check out Lamin-X online, it's just pretty much a protective film, and they come in different shades. You have clear, you have tint, you have smoked, blue, and yellow. And I'm pretty sure you guys have seen the yellow headlight tint and blue tint, and you know, people just darken their tint all around. I think majority of people use just regular window tint. I'm not exactly sure the pros and cons of that, so don't get me lying on this thing. Yeah, so pretty much I found this online, I picked it up. So why I initially did the research into finding this is because I wanted that darker look. I'm not sure if you guys know a lot of the LCI, like M3, M4s, I think even M5s, maybe in the 440s, they come with a darker looking headlight. And what that essentially is the chrome pieces inside the headlight have been painted black, or like, you know, some kind of dark gray or something to give the illusion of a darker headlight, less reflective surfaces. And while I was gonna do this on this car, it costed like over $1,000 just to open the headlights and do it. So I figured next best step is to tint them. And I didn't want to go with the generic tinting, so I bought this. I think it's about like 60 bucks. They cut them themselves, so I think it just starts off as a sheet. They cut them themselves. So shipping came in a couple days. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on with this just because it's really cold and I just want to put this on. So first I'm gonna clean up the headlights, and I'm gonna show you guys how they kind of look before, and I'm gonna apply it, and we're gonna see how it looks after. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. One of the added benefits I found from putting these over the car is it's a very thick layer, and what that does is, let me see if you guys get me. And what that does is that thick layer of film, it protects the car from a whole bunch of like stone chips and things that could possibly damage the light. You know, UV rays, the whole nine. You know, headlights hazing out. You know, just a little protective layer over it. You can tell on this headlight now we have a bit of scratches and scuffs and things like that. I don't know if you guys seen the last video, link in the description of me applying the vinyl on the side, or just any of my tinting style application jobs. When it comes to this, I freaking suck at it. So this is another little thing to show you guys, you know, if you guys suck at something like this too, could you do it? So I'm putting this on the line, and it's really cold outside. I think it's about like 30 something degrees. I know it's never good to apply something like that, something like this at a temperature like that. So I brought out a heat gun just to heat up the light a little bit, heat up the film a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. So as soon as you open the box, you see you got it's packaged pretty nicely, to be honest with you. And it has instructions on here how to install. I'm gonna open it for you guys. As soon as you open it up, you notice you have a couple things in here. Most important being how to install. So we're gonna look at that, because I am gonna follow instructions on this time. This little pen with, you put your filtered water in. So you just put it in here. It's like a little spritzer bottle. We're gonna spray it. Spray a light coating. And a little Lamin-X. It looks like, you know, it's like a Chinese rebranded blade. We have a card and Lamin-X decal. So I'm gonna put all of this stuff back in the box. And the first thing I'm gonna do is look at the instructions. So recommended tool, obviously lint-free towel, sprayer, which is included, squeegee, which is the card, a dryer, which is I have the heat gun, and a trim tool, which is included also. The first step is clean. So to clean the area thoroughly 2-3 times. Clean with water. It says do not use alcohol. missed the lens. So so step 2, we're gonna take this once again and we're gonna mist it. So you're just gonna do a light coating over, do not saturate. Now, here we go. We're gonna open this up and I think we're on a stage to apply the film. These are for, I guess, the side markers and fog lights. I will be installing the side markers. The fog lights I don't have, so that won't happen. Here it is. Apply just like so. I know you're thinking, Mike, you done? I want to see the finished product. Well, screwed up again. This is not for me. I'm just gonna order. I'm just gonna talk to Lamin-X, have them send me another one out, and pay a professional. I like the outcome though. You can kind of see how it will look, of course, sort of kind of. See, it's like nothing right here. And then you can see the darker one. It's kind of tinted out. It looks really, looks a lot more aggressive. But I'm just gonna stick to something that I know because they came with side markers. So, guys, I'm just gonna do the side markers because I screwed that up, like I said. Your best to not